नमस्कार आणि येवकार. गोमंतक टीव्ही टेबल टॉक. आज टेबल टॉकाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आज आमी एक वेगळ्या विशयाचेर एका आगळ्या वेगळ्या मनशाकडे उलयतले. विशय आसा एकदम सादो. जेन झी म्हणजे आयचे तरणाटे आनी तांकां दिशा कशी दाखोवप आनी दिशा स्वता आपली दिशा सोदपी अशें एक व्यक्तिमत्व आमच्या समोर आसा, जेणें गोंया भितर जाचो जन्म जाला पण आज जगभर ताची किर्ती पसरल्या. तुमच्या फुड्यांत आज आमी दवरतात श्री देव भांगी बाब. देव भांगी एक कॉर्पोरेट स्ट्रॅटेजिस्ट. कॉर्पोरेट स्ट्रॅटेजिस्ट म्हणजे जो कंपनीक टर्न अरावंड करता. एक बरो शब्द आसा, टर्न अरावंड स्ट्रॅटेजिस्ट. ज्यो वीक कंपनीज आसा, ज्यो साद्यो आसा, ज्यो सीक कंपनी आसा, तांकां हेरप, तांकां विकते घेवप, तांच्या भितर 100% 360 डिग्री बदल करप, तांकां परत प्रॉफिटेबल करप, त्यो कंपनी विकप आनी पयशे कमवप, हाका हेज फंड्स किंवा कॉर्पोरेट टर्न अरावंड स्ट्रॅटेजिस्ट म्हणटात. देवबाब तातूंतलेच. कॅनडा भितर रॉयल बँक ऑफ कॅनडाचे मॅनेजिंग डिरेक्टर जावपाचें भाग्य ह्या आमच्या गोंयकाराक मेळ्ळां. कॅनडा भितर हेज फंड्स चलोवपाचें भाग्य आमच्या ह्या स्ट्रॅटेजिस्टाक मेळ्ळां. आनी सतत आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकींग, क्रिएटीव थिंकींग, कॉर्पोरेट टर्न अरावंड आनी कंपनीचो खऱ्या अर्थान जादूगर आशिल्ले देवबाब भांगी आज तरण्यात्या भितर जादूचो मंत्र दिवपाक आयल्यात. विशय आसा जेनझीचो. देवबाब तुमकां सगळ्यां पयलीं येवकार दिता गोंयांत, कारण 30-35 वर्सां कॅनडा आनी जगभर तुमी भोंवतात, जगभर तुमी आर्थीक वेव्हार करतात, कितलेशे हजारो कोटीचो आंकडो तुमी सांबाळ्ळा. दर्शकांक सांगपाक म्हणल्यार रॉयल बँक ऑफ कॅनडाचे मॅनेजिंग डिरेक्टर आसतना तांच्या हातांत जो पोर्टफोलियो आशिल्लो तो जवळ जवळ 1,70,000 कोटीचो पोर्टफोलियो आशिल्लो. टर्न अरावंड स्ट्रॅटेजीस म्हणून जो ते धंदो चलयताले ताचोच टर्न ओवर, म्हणजे ताचीच उलाढाल जवळ जवळ 35 ते 40,000 कोटीची आशिल्ली. कोटीचो वेव्हार. आनी आज तुमी तरणाट्या भितर यशाचो मंत्र दिवपाक तुमी जगभर भोंवतात. तुमकां आमी येवकारतात. विशय आसा जनरेशन झेड, म्हणजे जेन झी जाका आमी म्हणटात तो. आतां हो जेन झी कोण तर 1997 नंतर जे लोक जल्माक आयल्या ताका आमी जेन झी म्हणटात. म्हणजे आज सादारण ह्या तरणाट्यांचे वर्स म्हणजे वय 18 ते 28 हो ह्या गॅपांतलें. आनी आज जर पळयत जाल्यार ह्या गॅपांतल्या भुरग्यांनी, ह्या तरणाट्यांनी सबंद जगभर बऱ्या आनी वायट कारणां खातीर लोक तांची नांवां घेतात. वायट कारणां खातीर ह्या खातीरच कारण जगभर एम्प्लॉयर्स जे काम दिवपी कंपनी म्हणटात की सगळ्यांत वायट जनरेशन काम करपाक. कारण ते आत्ममग्न आसात, तांकां कोणाचें पडिल्लें ना, सुखवस्तू वेवस्थेंतल्यान ते वयर आयल्यात, टॅक्नॉलॉजी कडेन चड तांचो ओडो आसा आनी तांचो कामाचेर लक्ष ना अशें थोडक्यान ते म्हणटात. एक कडेन तांचेर टिका जाता, पण दुसरे कडेन ह्याच जनरेशन, ह्याच जेनझीन नेपाला भितर सत्यांतर केलें. तुमी ह्या जेनझीक कशा पद्दतीन पळयतात देवबाब?
Thank you. So first of all, thank you to Gomantak TV Table Talk, and thank you Manoj Bab for this opportunity. I'm honored. So Gen Z खूब positive points आसा, like they look at social impact, they look at climate action, they are more or less altruistic, they see beyond themselves.
Hi.
But the reason they draw a bad rap or the bad reputation is because their expectations are unrealistic. They want to achieve what my generation, the baby boomer tail ender generation, achieved in 20 years, they want to achieve it in 3 years. And a lot of times it is not possible. And त्या खातीर ते फ्रस्ट्रेट जाता आनी तातूंतल्यान तांकां they have issues with respect to mental issues, depression and all that. But they have a much broader sights compared to my generation who looked at just आमची स्वताचे financial independence, स्वताची family and so on. So look much broader than that.
कदाचित आमच्या जनरेशनाक आमकां स्ट्रगल करचें पडलें. म्हणजे म्हजी पयली गाडी किंवा तुमचें पयलें घर किंवा लग्नानंतर तुम्ही स्वता उबारिल्लो तुमचो संवसार ही आमची परिस्थिती आशिल्ली. आतां जेन जें सगळें हाताचेर ऑन द प्लॅटर अशें मेळ्ळां
Absolutely.
आनी कदाचित ताच्यामुळे ते इतले संतुश्ट. पण आर दे रियली हॅपी? आज जेन झी इज कन्सिडर्ड टू बी अ ट्रबल मेकर इवन इन ऑर्गनायझेशन्स. आज जेन झीक घेवपाक लोक अशे फाटीफुडें जातात. तुमचो सबंद देशभर सबंद संवसारभर वावर करतना तुमचो जेन झी कडेन कसो अनुभव आयलो?
So, lot of people, आमी जेन्ना पळयता तांचे कडेन, lot of people label them as entitled generation.
एन्टायटल्ड जनरेशन,
They
सगळें
want-
आयतें मेळ्ळां.
आयतें मेळ्ळां. आमकां तुमी म्हणटा तशें मनोज बाब आमकां फाटीराखा नाशिल्लो. वी हॅड नो बॅकस्टॉप. आमी पडले जाल्यार खाईन पडटाले.
बरोबर.
रायट. वेरेज हांकां आमी आसा and they have been cajoled, they have been pampered, and so their viewpoint is quite different from ours. One of the deficiencies that I see in them is that there is no, as you had pointed out, there is very little work ethic. Hard work, आमी believe करताले. आणि आमच्या generationin, every generation should believe in hard work. Because even if you get success by fluke and not by hard work, that success will not last. It will go away, just like anything else. तुम्ही जर कोणें जर व्यायाम करिनासतना जर बॉडी कमायली फटाफट जाल्यार ती फटाफट येतली बी आनी वतली. इजी कम इजी गो. रायट. वन ऑफ द इश्यूज दॅट आय सी पर्सनली in Gen Z is that they like to talk about the global issues. आमी ग्लोबल इश्यू आमचे जनरेशन ग्लोबल इश्यूवाचेर चड उलोवंक नाशिल्लें कित्याक आमकां वी हॅड बिगर फिश टू फ्राय.
Bigger things at home.
Exactly. But these people talk, and I'll give an example of a classic Gen Z, Greta Thunberg,
Hi.
who is a high profile, I would say,
Climate activist.
Swedish climate activist and social activist. And she talks about and she labels all the executives and she curses everybody, she criticizes everybody. But I believe that she is overrated, significantly overrated, because in all her talks and all her discourses, I've never seen that she has given any solutions.
बरोबर.
It is easy to criticize somebody. It is easy to raise awareness. Anybody can raise awareness. A kid can raise awareness. But the real value to any generation or a country or the world lies in providing a solution, a comprehensive, effective, implementable solution.
सुंदर. देवबाब, म्हाका तुमकां एक प्रश्न आसा. म्हणजे पयलीं तुमी हजारो करोडो रुपयान खेळटाले. म्हणजे बऱ्या मार्गान पयसो हाडून बऱ्या मार्गाक तो पयसो वापरपाक हाचेर तुमी जवळ जवळ 30-35 वर्सां संबंद जगभर गेली. आतां तुमी भुरग्यां बरोबर आनी मुख्य म्हणजे तरणाट्यां बरोबर काम करतात. तांकां स्ट्रॅटेजीज दितात, तांकां सक्सेसाचे मंत्र दितात. म्हणजे जेन झी भुरगो जाका तुमी म्हणटा एक एन्टायटल्ड जनरेशन अशें आमी पळयतात आनी तांच्यानी काम करपाचें आनी चिंतपा हातून जो फरक आसा, ताणें एक्चुअली कशें वागप आनी आमी पालकांनी तांचे कडेन कशें वागचें?
Very good question. So first of all, I would say that, and this is the big theme, is that jidd म्हण आसता पळय,
हय,
grit, what we
Hय.
call in English, on a long road to
ती आसा,
success.
तांकां आसा, जेन झीक आसा.
Gen Z, you have to cultivate
Ah.
that particular jidd, right? Because they are impatient. As I
Barabar.
said, that's why they are called entitled generation.
Correct.
They have to understand how to have patience for ultimate success.
बरोबर.
So they have to understand the grit, and they have to understand and accept that grit always beats talent. That is the reason in the legendary race, Sasa Ashilla Rabbit,
Hय.
he lost that race. He had all the talent in running.
Barabar.
And Kasa Ashilla, who had no talent in running whatsoever, he won
Barabar.
because he had the grit. And this particular lesson and takeaway has to be imbibed into the minds of the Gen Z so that they will have the patience.
आज जेन झीक दिसता फास्ट अँड फ्युरियस विन्स द रेस.
Yes,
आमच्या वेळाचेर आमी म्हणटाले स्लो अँड स्टेडी विन्स द रेस.
correct.
पण हो जो गॅप आसा हाका जनरेशन गॅपूय म्हणूं येता. आवय बापूय म्हणून आमी तांचे कडेन कशें वागचें?
So, one of the best ways to bring up children,
हय,
any generation,
हय,
is to lead by example. That is the only leadership model that
तांकां
works.
आवडटलो.
That works. And तांकां आवडटलो.
बरोबर.
आवयन बापायन जर सपोज सोरो पिलो आनी सांगलें भुरग्यांक की तुमी सोरो पियो नाका, इट इज बॅड फॉर युअर हेल्थ, and it is true that it is bad for the health.
करेक्ट.
But most of the learning that any generation has is not by the conventional, institutional, pedagogical kind of learning. It is through osmosis. ते जे पळयता
ते आत्मसात करता.
आत्मसात करता. That is why we have two kinds of generals. A general who sits in a tambu
Hय.
doing strategy, and then there is a soldiers general who is there रणांगणाचेर स्वता आसता.
Hय.
Bajirao is an example,
Hय.
right? Swata he would fight and he would inspire people. Every individual, young or old, needs inspiration. Inspiration is provided by those personalities who can do it much more easily and leave everybody else in the awe की ताणे कशें केलें. So Sachin Tendulkar shows that batting is very easy, but you realize when you bat that he can show it only because he's a master at it. And then you feel like becoming like him, you feel like emulating him. So you have to give them examples which start from home or in schools or in community by which they feel like emulating those examples, which is what I call the best model of leadership.
पण हाचो एक व्हडलो धोको म्हणजे कितें दिवबाब इज जेन्ना पेरंट्स जेन्ना भुरग्यां कडल्यान चड एक्सपेक्टेशन दवरता किंवा आपल्यो गजाल्यो सांगतात, भुरगे म्हणटात आतां नवे जनरेशन हे तुज्यो पयलींच्यो काणयो आमकां नाका, कारण अपेक्षेचें ओझेच त्या भुरग्यांचेर इतलें जालां की खंयची प्रायोरिटी पयली, खंयची डेडलायन पयली आनी खंयची घेवप ना हेंच ताका कळना. सो वॉट इज युअर सक्सेस मंत्र फॉर चुजींग वॉट प्रायोरिटी यू टेक आणि हाव टू मीट द डेडलायन्स, म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्यो जे कामां आमकां थोड्या वेळा भितर करपाक जाय, भुरग्यांनी खंय खंय लक्ष घालचो.
Okay, so there are two skills. One is prioritization skills from decreasing order of importance, and second is time management skills.
म्हणजे खंयच्या कामाक कशें म्हत्व दिवपाचें कोण ठरयतलो?
No, that is based on critical thinking, right? So you have to have that critical thinking and independent thinking ability without getting distracted. Gen Z's problem कितें आसा, they are affected too much by the social media. And my mantra to them is that do not lead a vicarious life of others' perceptions. Lead a high conviction, independent life.
Real life is important than the real life.
Yes.
अशें तुमी म्हणटात.
Because in your trough days, in the dire straits, तुमच्या सायडीक कोण आसना. Because as I say, success has many fathers, failure is an orphan. Everybody fails. पूण जेन्ना फेल जावन मनीस साप शिडीचो खेळ म्हणटा पळय आमी, तो शिडी वयल्यान साप मेळटा जिवनान, आनी जेन्ना सकयल येता and you are in the trough, at that time there is nobody with you. So why lead a life of others' perception? Why worry about how the other person looks at you and looks at likes, dislikes on your social media? You lead life of your own conviction. Invest in yourself and don't care about rest of the world. You can be a maverick because the Gen Z is a problem. One of the problems is that they like to be affiliated with fraternities. They cannot lead a lone wolf life, which we led as well. Correct. Right? Because we are fighters, because we are deprived. Because these guys are well looked after kids, they like to be in a curb, the comfort in company.
Herd mentality. मित्र करता किंवा आनी कोणे सांगले म्हणून आपण करता.
So they have to look at, forget about the parents and advice, they have to look at icons in the world that they actually acknowledge.
But do you think that this Gen Z icon asa?
Of course. You look at Roger Federer in tennis, you look at Tiger Woods in golf, look at Mike Tyson in boxing, you look at Steve Jobs, who's the founder of Apple, Elon Musk, who is like handling multiple corporations, all innovative, all creative, all out of mental reach of most people. And they have to say, okay, these are my icons. And what is common in them? They work very hard. They work 100, 120 hours a week.
पण आता त्या भुरग्यांक काम करपाची तयारी ना.
No. So how can you get it? So they have to understand this cognitive dissonance, what I called as. म्हणजे तुमकां सगळें जायी बी आनी तुमकां कामूय करपाक नाका. So how can you get
bridge
it?
the gap.
So your expectations are unrealistic. To make them realistic, either you work hard like Elon Musk, or you temper your expectations and be a common man. And when I gave a talk this morning to some of the college students, I said, there's a distinction. If you become a doctor or an engineer or anyone, you want to be one out of the many or one of a kind.
सुंदर. देवबाब तुवें एक बरे गजाली सांगल्यो, म्हणजे आजच्या पिढीक थोडे स्किल्स स्वता म्हणून जाय पडटा. एक म्हणजे कॉग्निटिव्ह एबिलिटी आणि दुसरें म्हणल्यार तुमी क्रिटिकल थिंकींग, इंडिपेंडंट डिसिजन मेकिंग. पण आज आमचो शाळा कॉलेजाच्या महाविद्यालय युनिव्हर्सिटीच्या खंयच्याच प्रोग्रामान, खंयच्याच कोर्साक आमी भुरग्याक इंडिपेंडंट थिंकिंगूय शिकयनात, ताका क्रिएटीव स्किल्स, क्रिटिकल स्किल्सूय शिकयनात, आनी आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्साच्या नांवा खाला आनी कॅल्क्युलेटर्स, मोबायल फोन्स हाची आमकां इतली सवय जाल्या की 20+20 करपाकूय आमकां आज भुरग्यांक मोबायल फोन जाय पडटा, कॅल्क्युलेटर जाय पडटा. साद्या प्रश्नाची जाप पयलीं ते गुगलाक विचारताले, आतां तांकां परप्लेक्सिटी, ग्रॉक, AI, कॅप जेमिनी हाचेर ते अवलंबून आसा. म्हणजे खंयच्यान येतली इंटेलिजन्स, खंयच्यान येतली क्रिटिकल थिंकींग आनी डेव्हलप कोण करतलो?
So there are two aspects in terms of, so we call them intelligent quotient and emotional quotient.
EQ and IQ.
So IQ as a that is all based on subject matter, which is taught in conventional universities and school. Pustakan asa. You interact with the pustak and that's fine.
Barabar.
But pustak doesn't talk. So EQ is emotional quotient, which is the skills in terms of interacting with other humans. Success is achieved not in isolation with the book. That is just academic success. And academic success does not equate to success in life, which is the frustration of Gen
This
Z.
generation.
Success in life is achieved in concert with other human beings. Your allies, your mentors, your colleagues, your teachers, the whole society, right? And unless you have the communication skills, conflict resolution skills, your persuasion skills, negotiation skills, हे तुका असल्याशिवाय you cannot get mentors, you cannot get allies. I call them a factor called likability. You have to be liked by people for them to choose you as their mentee and guide you. Because you cannot pull a mentor and force him to become your mentor. He wants to be willingly attracted towards a mentee because he can see the potential in the guy. And the potential is based on how you interact with people.
Sundar.
People would want to associate themselves with you.
Hi.
आता फाल्यां तुम्ही जर म्हाका मेंटर करूंक जर तुमकां इच्छा आसा, यू विल से ओके ही हॅज पोटेन्शियल एंड इफ आय मेंटर हिम ताजें नांव वयर वतलें पूण ताजे बरोबर म्हजें नांव वयर वतना. इट इज लायक ए कोच. लायक फॉर एक्झाम्पल इंडियन विमेन हॅव वन द वर्ल्ड कप. तो मुजुमदाराचें बी नांव जालें. ही वॉज अननोन अंटील 2 days ago.
2 days back.
Right? So you have to have the goods in you, which is the EQ, which is more important than IQ, so as to be able to impress other people and create that likability factor. आणि हे आसा पळय, हे तुमी म्हणटा तशें इश्कोलान शिकयनात. That is learned by osmosis in the outside world.
अनुभव घेवन शिकप.
अनुभव घेवन शिकप. And so in success, I would say that who you know is more important than what you know.
ब्युटिफूल. तुम्ही एक बरी गजाल सांगली आणि तातूंत तुम्ही म्हणलें आज सगळे दर्शक जे आमचे गोमंतक टीव्हीचे आसा तांकां याद करून दिता. आमी उलयतात बाब देव भांगी कडेन जे इंटरनॅशनल स्ट्रॅटेजीज, इंटरनॅशनल कॉर्पोरेट होंच्यो ते कॉर्पोरेट स्ट्रॅटेजीज ते क्रिटिकल थिंकर ते आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकर ते पण आता ते काम भुरग्यां बरोबर करता, तरणाट्यां बरोबर करता, तांकां जिवनाचे सक्सेस मंत्र दिता. तांचें म्हणणें अशें की कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, पर्सुएशन स्किल्स, एबिलिटी टू टॉक टू अदर्स, कनेक्ट टू अदर्स बिकम मोर इम्पॉर्टंट. पण देवबाब एक गजाल आमी प्रामुख्यान ह्या जनरेशन झेनझी कडेन पळयता, तांकां कोणा कडेन उलोवपा नाका. घरान जर कोण सोयरो आयलो, पावणो आयलो जाल्यार ते आपल्या रुमांतल्यान बेडरुमांतल्यान भायर सरनात. आज कोणाचे लग्नाक, बारशाक, मुजीक, बर्थडेक तांकां वचूं नाका. आवय बापाय कडेन तांचें उलोवप कमी जालां. बापायक किंवा आवयक तूं खंय आसा म्हूण घरांतल्या घरांत ह्या बेडरुमांतल्या थंय फोन करचो पडटा. तांकां एकटे रावपाक आवडटा. रातची ती जागरणां करता, रातचे ते कितें करतात, कोणा बरोबर मोबायलाचेर कितें कितें करतात तें आमकां कळना. ही सगळ्या पालकांची एक चिंता जाल्या. सो तो भुरगो घरानूच उलोवपाक सोदना जाल्यार कशें वाडटलें ताचे कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स आनी पर्सुएशन स्किल्स कितें करचें ह्या तरणाट्या भुरग्यांनी?
या सो आय मीन दिस इज इजियर सेड दॅन डन. पूण आज हांव this morning I spoke with about 250 students at Defiance College, and I told them, I said, get out of this self-imposed social media
isolation
cocoon, because if you are convinced that who you know is much more important than what you know, then you have to get out in the real world. Because we say that success is when opportunity meets preparation. This is preparation, this is opportunity. A lot of people are prepared, but they are not successful because there is no opportunity. And who gives you opportunity? Not your peers who are in social media. Somebody who is senior to you,
somebody from whom you can learn.
And so you have to get out. Only then you will meet people. You will meet the who's who, when intersect with your preparation, will make you successful.
एक सुंदर पॉइंट देव भांगी बाबान सांगलो आणि जे तरणाटे आज आमची कार्यावळ पळयतात ताणे ती आत्मसात करपाची गरज आसा. उलयात, तुमच्या ककुनांतल्यान भायर सरात, तुमचे कार्यक्षेत्र मातशें वाडयात. जेन्ना तुमी लोकां कडेन पळयतले, लोकां कडेन उलयतले, लोकांचें आयकतले, तुमच्यो क्षमता मानसीक आनी बौद्धीक क्षमतेंत वाड जाता. हातून एक खूब म्हत्वाच्या गजाली कडेन आमी येवया. देवबाब, तुमी पयलीं सामके हुशार भुरगे गोंयांत शिकून पिपल्सांतल्यान शिकल्यात, मागीर डेपे हायर सेकंडरीन शिकल्यात आनी तुमी VJTI सारक्या एका सामक्या नांवाजलेल्या संस्थेंत गेले. फुडें MBA करपाक तुमी कॅनडान गेले. ताच्या नंतर 30-35 वर्सां तुमी मॅनेजिंग डिरेक्टर म्हणून, मॅनेजिंग पार्टनर म्हणून, स्ट्रॅटेजिस्ट म्हणून काम करत आसात, पण कंटिन्युअसली शिकतात, वाचतात. भुरग्यांक, नव्या जनरेशनाक आज तेच नाका. स्किल्स अपडेट करपाक, कॉन्स्टंटली अभ्यास करपाक, कॉन्स्टंटली नवे स्किल शिकपाक कित्याक ही भुरगीं कमी पडटात? कितें करचें?
बिकॉज तांचे कडेन रोल मॉडेल सद्या कमी आसा, नंबर 1. सेकंडली तुमी म्हणटा तशें दे डू नॉट रीड. Their attention span is digital. It is only for TTYL, talk to you later. So they don't have social skills. तांकां essay बरोवपाक सांगितलें जाल्यार तांकां essay बरोवपाक
जमचो
येना.
ना.
And that is the reason they hesitate to go and interact with the outside world. People who belong to my generation, and I can tell you, I can talk to a beggar, I can talk to a president or a CEO with effortless ease, without any preparation. I can talk to a 9-year-old, and I can also entertain a 70-year-old, depending on the topics. It's because आमी वाङ्मय, मराठी म्हण, कोंकणी म्हण, English म्हण खूब वाचिल्लें आसा. So I'll give an example. Malcolm Gladwell, who you would have read a book called Outliers.
Outliers.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which is the mantra that I'm giving. Be an outlier. Don't be in a herd. Be an outlier, because that is how you stand out.
Outliers म्हणजे तुम्ही वेगळं जायात.
A contrarian.
कॉन्ट्ररियन जायात. तुमचं एक वेगळं ओपिनियन असू नये. तुम्ही वेगळे ठासून लोकांक दिसू नये.
A challenger, a maverick, all that stuff. Our world that we live in today, wherein traveling at 900 kilometers an hour in the air at 35,000 feet by a jet is taken for granted.
बरोबर.
Okay. We are talking about settling colonies on Mars today. Not too long ago, we were in the Stone Age. Okay, and if these outliers were not there, if these challenges were not there, likes of Galileo Galilei, okay, who proved that it is the earth that revolves around the sun as opposed to the belief that was opposite, or Einstein, and yes, sagale maverick je ashille, who today are legends, but during those times when they lived, everybody spat on them. Lok तांचे थुकले, तांकां क्रिटिसाइज केले, तांकां वाळीन घाले, they were ostracized, but they had the foresight and they became legends. They had the tenacity to bear all that criticism and still be that challenger. And I can tell you this with immense pride, that our world, the civilized and developed world that we live in today, has been built brick by outliers. Had they not been there, we would have still be standing in the cave, wearing a loincloth, holding a spear in the hand, and waiting for the animal to pass by. So, ode to all those outliers. And so that is what today's kids, or Gen Z, or any generation has to know. They also have to learn from the book, and the gist of the book is, Malcolm Gladwell writes in Outliers, he says it takes 10,000 hours to reach an expertise from zero, approximately 10,000 hours. So 10,000 hours, how do you get 10,000 hours? It's very simple. If you work 8 hours a day, which is nothing, okay, and take 2 days off in a week, 75 to 80 hours.
75 to 80 hours.
A week. And even now I work the same. Because I feel self-worth is when I work hard and when I accomplish something at the end of the day and I look in the mirror and I say, what did you do today? If I have not done much, then I look down upon myself.
Correct.
And I fall in my own eyes. And Gen Z has to understand this concept, that falling in others' eyes, you can rise.
पस्तीस तुम्ही म्हणटाले थोडा वेळ जर थोडे वरां जर तुम्ही काढली जाल्यार खंयचोय विषय तुम्ही आत्मसात करपाक त्या विशयाकडे या.
Okay. So 8 hours a day into 5 days a week. 40 वरां जाली.
Okay.
52 weeks, so 50 week धरूया. वर्सान 2000 hours झाले.
बरोबर.
5 वर्षांनी you have the 10,000 hours. Right?
म्हणजे 10,000 वरां जर तुम्ही स्वतःक जर दिली,
focused, not distracted.
जर तुम्ही इन आयसोलेशन जर तुम्ही तितलो वेळ जर स्वतःक दीत, तुम्ही म्हणतात जगातलो खंयचोय विषय आत्मसात करून मास्टरी घेवपाक काय कठीण ना.
Yeah. And when you have that, you don't need the warm and fuzzies of other people trying to give you likes and dislikes. You fall in love with yourself.
बरोबर.
And it's a very difficult concept to digest. When you fall in love with yourself, when you have led a life of values, of principle, you have been a challenger, you have been your own man, and you have had high convictions, and you have led an independent life, and you have built yourself from scratch. You have gone through the adversities and faced adversities, ताजेर मात केल्ली आसा. तेन्ना you fall in love with yourself. Every human being needs affection. आमकां ल्हान आसतना आवय बापायचें affection मेळटा, फुडें आतां भावाच्या भयणीचें मेळटा, मागीर बायलेचें भावाचें मेळटा, and so on. पुणून a human being should be like a sarvabhaum nation. And what is it? Financially, physically, emotionally, and psychologically, you should have been independent, self-sufficient. And when you fall in love with yourself on all those dimensions, you have your cake with you all the time. बाकीच्या कडल्यान love जर मेळ्ळें जाल्यार it's a cherry on the cake. But if you don't get it,
the cake.
You still have the cake and it's in your control. So why not follow that path?
सुंदर. म्हणजे लायकेबिलिटी किंवा व्हॅलिडेशन आम्ही तिसऱ्या मनशा कडल्यान सोदा परस आपुणूच आम्ही स्वताक सक्षम करूया अशें देवबा म्हणटात की मागीर तुमकां ऑटोमॅटिकली लोकांचे प्रेम, लोकांचे व्हॅलिडेशन हें सगळें तुमकां ऑटोमॅटिकली आनी भायल्या लोकांची गरज पडची ना. एक म्हत्वाचो मुद्दो तुमकां विचारूंक जाय, जर तुमी खंयच्या जेन झी किंवा युथा कडेन विचारलें तुमकां कितें जावंक जाय, म्हणजे तुमकां कितें करनशें दिसता, 3 गजाली प्रामुख्यान ते सांगतात. म्हाका सक्सेसफूल जावंक जाय, यशस्वी जावंक जाय. खूब व्हेरी सेल्डम, म्हणजे खूब कमी लोक म्हणटा की म्हाका सॅटिस्फायड जावंक जाय, म्हाका हॅपी जावंक जाय. खूब जाण हें म्हणटात की म्हाका अचिवर जावंक जाय. आतां 3 पॉयंट जाले. अचिवर जावंक जाय म्हणजे म्हाका सगळें मेळोवंक जाय, म्हाका सॅटिस्फायड जावंक जाय आनी म्हाका यशस्वी जावंक जाय. तिगांचो फरक कितें?
So, first of all, everybody may not want to be successful because
Right.
it appears to be too much of hard work and grind. Okay?
इजी मेळटा ते
Right,
पयलीं
right.
घेवया.
But everybody wants to be happy.
व्हेरी नायस.
Okay? So, show me one example
Right.
who is unsuccessful and who is happy.
Who is unsuccessful and who is happy?
Yeah.
No, you
won't
cannot
find-
be.
You cannot be.
You cannot be.
So, success is prerequisite to happiness.
बरोबर.
Everybody wants to be happy.
Right.
So, there is no choice. You have to be successful.
And for successful you need
You,
to be.
you have to have the work ethic and
You
work
need
hard.
to work hard. You need to work hard. सुंदर मंत्र तुम्ही म्हाका सांगलो. म्हणजे खरोच एक बरो भेद. शो मी अ पर्सन म्हणटात ते की जो सक्सेसफूल आसा आनी अनहॅपी आसा. म्हणजे हॅपी मनीस और सक्सेसफूल मनीस इज ऑलवेज हॅपी, पूण सक्सेसफूल मेळपाक जावपाक काम करचें पडटलें, प्रयत्न करचे पडटले.
Exactly.
हे प्रयत्न जर फेल जाले जाल्यार डिप्रेशनान वचपाक खूब भंय आसता. आनी आज आमी पळयलें आमच्या गोंया भितर डिप्रेशनान वचपी लोक किंवा सुसायडल टेंडन्सी वचपी लोक हांचेर तुमकां कितें म्हणणें आसा?
Simple, one word, defiance.
डिफायन्स.
Okay, so can I tell you my story in about 30 seconds?
येस.
So, म्हजो बापूय 7 वर्सांचो आसतना गेलो. He worked in railways. Myself and my mother were out on the street because आमचो क्वार्टर आशिल्लो तो गेलो. आमी गेली in a house which was uninhabited for 35 years. भितर सोरोप काणेर सगळें आशिल्लें, भायरूय आशिल्लें. But we did not lose heart. Right? We defied the circumstances. The victory that you get easily is much less enjoyable than the victory that you get by defying.
सुंदर. म्हणजे परिस्थिती कडेन जर तुम्ही झगडले, 2 हात केले जाल्यार परिस्थिती तुमकां 2 हातान दिवपाक सदैव तयार आसता.
हय.
सक्सेसफूल जावपाक शेवटचो प्रश्न, 3 मंत्र जर तुमकां सांगचे दिसत जाल्यार ते सक्सेसफूल जावपाचे मंत्र जेनझीन पाठ करपा सारके, आत्मसात करपा सारके खंयचे?
एकूच सांगता.
हय.
In one is good enough.
1 is equal to
And
3.
this is not even mine. This is Om Puri,
वाह.
the famous icon,
Hय.
who looked horrible and still he became a legend and did 26 Hollywood films. He was asked the same question.
हय.
Key success factors सांगात. आणि ताणें सांगलें factors न्ही, एकूच factor आसा म्हणून. It is just the desire.
डिझा भूक.
Which I call fire in the belly. पूण तुज्या belly आसपाक जाय. बापाच्या आवय बापाच्या belly आसपाक जायना. It is in, and once you have that fire in the belly, nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. I can give you an example of a woman from a Sherpa community, uneducated, and she became a Sherpa. She could not go to school because her tribe did not allow girls to learn in schools. She became a Sherpa to the mountain climbers on Everest and subsequently underwent a marriage of 9 years of marital abuse. Lokpa Sherpa is the name. You can Google her. Anyone can Google her. And then she kind of released herself from that situation and went on to conquer Mount Everest 10 times. And even at the age of 68 today, I derive immense inspiration from her and I get goosebumps and my hair stands when I think of her. If she can do that, these problems that we talk about and getting depressed on small issues is irrelevant.
सुंदर. आज आमच्या बरोबर आशिल्ले देवबाब भांगी जे कॅनडा भितर असतात, कॉर्पोरेट स्ट्रॅटेजिस्ट, इन्व्हेंटर, थिंकर, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकर, आणि ह्या भुरग्यां बरोबर काम करतात. आणि जनरेशन झी बद्दल ते म्हणटाना एकूच मंत्र तुमकां सगळ्यांक ते दितात की पोटांत तुम्ही भूक दवरात, डिझायर दवरात, दोळ्यांत तुम्ही स्वप्न दवरात आणि काम करात. यशस्वी तुम्ही हमखास जातले. आणि होच मंत्र गोमंतक टीव्ही तुमकां सगळ्यांक घेवन येतात की पोटांत भूक आणि दोळ्यांत स्वप्न, हाताक काम जर तुम्ही करत दीत जाल्यार फुडार तुमचो सदांच परजळीत आसतलो. देवबाब, आमच्या बरोबर तुम्ही सुंदर भासाभास केली. सबंद जगाचें ज्ञान तुम्ही 20-30 मिनटांन आमकां दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. 30-35 वर्साच्या एक्सपिरियन्साचे अर्क तुम्ही आजच्या कार्यावळीन ओतल्या बद्दल तुमच्या हांव मना पासून दिनवास.
Thank you. तुमचेय बी.